All right, technical difficulties this morning, but we are here. We are back. We are live. It is Tuesday. It is what month are we in? February. It is February 6th, and we're ready to get going, man. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. We are here. We are live. We are ready to go. Yes, sir. Mike is working. Music is working. I think it's going to be a absolutely incredible day here today. Yeah, Crypto Madden's in the building. What up, Crypto Madden? We do have NY open upon us. Yeah, I'm not gonna rush into anything here, but we do have NY open here. But good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Sorry about the last stream here. Let's run it. Let me just set up Zoom, and we are off to the races here. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, we're good. How's everyone doing? You guys doing good? One moment. Discord. There we go. All right, let me send the Zoom link, and then we're going to roll here. Lovely. All right, cool. How's the music? Hey, W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, good to see you guys. What up, Xander? What up, Kelvin? What up, Dominic? What up, Nightbot? George VDM is in the house. Feeling blessed. Hero of the Day is in the building. What up, Hero of the Day? What up, Alpha? Alpha Harbor. What's goody? What's goody? Yeah. Welcome in. What up, Miko? What's good, everybody? Oh, damn. We got Motion in the chat. Hey, Motion in the chat here today. We are... Yeah, let's get started with a breakdown. Let me just share my screen, and we'll get rolling here. Welcome everybody in Zoom. Welcome in. Welcome. Good morning, Travis. What's good? Let me grab my tools, and we're gonna do a top-down analysis here. All right. So let me just bring this stuff over here, and yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day, Lord. We thank you for a blessing that is set upon us here today. We thank you for going before us and making all of our crooked paths straight, Lord. We just give you the glory that we can walk in your strength. Just imagine that. Let your people know how real it is, Lord, to walk in victory everywhere we go. Everywhere we go, we get to walk in your strength. If we're created by you, then our life should show that. We should bear fruit that shows that, Lord. So I pray that belief would be entered into the hearts of those here today so that they can believe, Lord, and then they can walk in your strength and just dominate in their calling for that you have over their life, Lord. So we thank you for it. We gather in your name, and we just give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. All right, let's run it. One sec. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. We're going to walk in strength today here, chat. Going to walk in strength. All right, let's do a top-down analysis here, and we'll get the day started. We'll see what we got going on and see what we can look for here today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Let's just go over to the news here. I don't think we have much in the headlines today, but we're going to take a look. I think we are pretty clean. Yeah, nothing much going on here for the US dollar here today. So pretty good. Should be a smooth day. We shouldn't really have to kind of, like I said the other day, tiptoe around any news or anything like that here today. So let's go ahead, open up the charts. Music good. If you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like here for me. Let me know if the music is good too. If it's too loud, I think it should be straight at this point. I think. Yeah, we good? Music good? All right, cool. Let's go ahead and talk about it, chat. Let's go ahead and start here on the lower time or on the higher time frames here. Taking a look at gold. I think the 1 hour is moving up pretty nice here, right? NY open, nice push. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see what happens here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly, right? Let's do a top-down analysis here. So the weekly candle is bullish, right? As you guys see, the previous candle closed bullish. There was no bottom wick on this candle. What does that mean? That means this thing is prone for a pack runner. What happened? You got yourself a pack runner, just like we talk about. This is why we study price action all day, every day, because now that we have that pack, this candle can easily begin to flip bullish and go ahead and fill that wick. Now, there's still 4 days left. Today is Tuesday, so there is still plenty of time here in this weekly candle for price to, drive up or break the lows and continue down here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bearish yesterday, right? So we got a bearish closure on yesterday's candle as we closed right here. Oh, let me make that smaller. Let's do this. Yeah, see how we had this candle close? So we close below all this range here. There's still a support left. You have a wick to fill. Currently, the daily candle right now is making a top wick, right? So this candle is attempting to make a top wick here and seeing if it can break the low to fill that wick and continue driving down. That's a pretty good idea here for today, is that this candle would flip bearish, break the low, and fill that wick here by the end of the day here. So we'll see what happens. We are moving up pretty steadily here with NY open. We have some volume coming in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is ranging a bit. So you do have let's go ahead and talk about the 4 hour, right? You had candles move down here, right? Eventually slow up. This was yesterday. Price moved up, created resistance, created support, and now has kind of just moved up, came down, created this little fake out, it looks like, and price is beginning to continue up here now, right? Now, so what do we have above there on the 4 hour chart, right? If we were to mark this off as support and this as resistance, above that is clean range to the left hand side. As you guys can see, there's a nice clean range right here for price to continue moving up. So the 4 hour is a big candle here. Whether or not this thing is going to close above, or will we continue to move back down and close back below, potentially, trying for the next candle to come down into this clean range here. So clean ranges on both sides of the consolidation here. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 1 hour. So as we look at the 1 hour chart, you have price has created a support, right? You also have a pretty strong area of resistance right here, and it looks like we did just tap into that resistance. Above that's going to be your clean range on the 4 hour time frame. Below that's going to be your clean range on the 4 hour time frame. So we have to measure this current range here, right? This is the current range that we're trading in on the 1 hour time frame. Now listen, if we are bearish on the daily, which we are, because the last daily candle closed like this, so right now we could be making a top wick to move down to continue down, right? Where's the wick fill? Well, the wick fill on the lower time frame is sitting right here. This is your daily wick fill right here. So if we can find some sort of resistance in this area here on the 1 hour time frame, something like this, then I think we can look to take ourselves coming down, anticipating that the daily candle will look to come down and fill the wick and do something like this here today. So we are approaching this resistance level. We have tapped into it, so we will begin to watch and see what happens, how we react to this area here, which is, what is this, 2030, 2031. So we'll see what happens, how we react here to 2031. If we do close above, then there's a high chance, very, very high probability that price will begin to move up here today. If we reject it, and if we begin to create resistance on the next 30-minute 1 hour candle, then I do believe price will begin to attempt to move down here. And if we can close below all this, right, then that's where you can see a continued drive down towards like 2016-ish. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. If not, we'll look to take buys above 2031. I'm going to look for sells below 2023 450 here. This is where I'm going to be looking for the fake out, somewhere right here for us to create that resistance. So we'll see what happens in this zone, but this is a tradable zone here, right? This is going to be like a 65 70 pip range, right? So if we do create resistance, then we attempted to do it already here. So we're going to come back up into the zone here, see how we react, and if we can kind of close bearish here on the 15-minute or on the next 15-minute, then we have some range to continue down. So that's yeah, that's going to be the day here on gold today. So we did come up to 31 here, to this previous resistance level to the left-hand side right here. And we did reject it. So we'll see if that rejection holds. If it doesn't, then you're probably going to see a continued move up towards like 2040 here. So we'll see what happens. We are bearish on the day, so we are looking for the move down, right? We're looking for the move down. We're looking for, you know, this to happen and do something like this, right? To retest this zone, aka fill that daily wick. So yeah, I think we need to wait. We need to wait about 2 minutes, probably more like 17 minutes, 18 minutes to see if we get a resistance on the next candle here. But that's it. That's it. There it is. All right, cool. Let's see what we got here, chat. So that's what I'm looking for here today on gold. So going to be looking for a fake out or something right around 2029 here in this zone. So if we can respect that resistance and then close bearish, I'm going to look to, you know, see if we can take our sells moving down here. We got nice clean range. I'm going to really look to take sells here, right? Look to take sells in these ranges here from this point down. And then buys are going to be pretty clean, you know, probably above these levels here. And then I'm going to pretty much stay out of this zone here, right? I want to see how we react here. I want to see how we react, if we're going to continue to reject or if we're actually going to close above. So it's pretty simple here on gold today. If you're already in the gold buys, good stuff. But yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's gold. That is the gold machine today, ladies and gents. So we'll see how we do. Yeah, we'll see how we do. It looks good on the 1 hour. 30-minute has a couple more resistance levels here. So we'll see how we react here on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. With buys, yeah, I'm not taking buys here. I'm going to look for a fake out here. I'm going to look for resistance to go down. And if I can't get it up there, then I'll get it down here. Yeah, and then probably if we get a closure above like 31 here, that's when I'll look to take buys. So right along this zone here, if we get a closure above there, let me see what that looks like on the 30. Yeah, the 30 doesn't look the best here, but it would have to be on the 1 hour. So if we do get, because look, last time we closed above here, anytime we close above, we tend to rip up, right? So if we do get a closure above 31,650, then that's going to be where I'll take my shot at buys. And I would really like to see something like this before those buys happen, right? A new support and then take the buy, right? Because at this point we're pretty overextended, right? So if we can get some sort of new support, that's when I'll take the buy. Right? Simple onion. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to look for. That's what I'm going to wait on here. But this is a very, very key area right here. We really want to see the way price reacts here. Yep. And that's it. What up, Sergio TT Bank Santos? In the building, in the building. He's in the building. AB Mike's in the house. What up, AB Mike? What's good, what's good? So yeah, so that's going to be gold. Buys above here, sells below, fake out for sells. Perfect. That's it. Work is done. No more thinking. We wait for our setup, we wait for our opportunities, and when they come, we strike. If they don't come, we say, hey, today was a no trade day. Cool. Done deal. Now we just sit back and relax. Ah. What a life. What a life GJ, yeah, GJ. Hey, this trade honestly taught me a lot too. FX Snipe said something really good yesterday too about stops and everything, and just having stops. A lot of times when we're wrong, we're actually right. Our stops are just too tight, right? Our stops are just a little bit too tight. Most days we're on the money. We're like he was saying. He's like, dude, you're 90%. You're 90% of the times you're right, but your stops are too tight, right? And honestly, I needed to hear that, right? Because this was something I've been debating over in my head as well, and thinking, hey, where can I put my stops a little bit better? More so like where structure is, right? Some sort of, just because you have this, right? Look, a lot of times you'll have something like this, boom, right? And then this is our trade, right? And we're like, all right, let's keep our stops here. But a lot of times what you'll notice is there's things like this that go on, right? So, boom, right? Let me just, give me a sec here. All right, boom, boom. Things like this. And then you'll notice a little bit of structure, right? To the side, right? Whatever, just bear with me here. So instead of keeping your stop so tight below the previous candle low here, a lot of times there's like this structure just a little bit lower, right? Where we can continue, where we can now begin to put our stops below the structure. Because remember, these pack runners happen often during high times of volume. That's one thing we really spotted this year. So sometimes what can happen is this, boink, right? And then price just drives up. And that's our stop loss, right? And if our stops were maybe below the actual structure itself, then we could survive that move, right? There's moves that we should and deserve to be a part of, right? We study the candles, we know direction, we know where price is looking to go. Sometimes our stops are just a little bit too tight, and that can be what gets us. So I don't know if FX Snipe is here, but thanks for the comment yesterday, because it confirmed some of the things that I've been thinking about too. So, W. First time on the stream, sounds very relaxing. Hey, what's up, Dina? How you doing? Glad you stopped by as well. Welcome to the family. We're here every day, Monday through Friday, just, you know, having some fun and being professionals. Welcome to the stream. So okay, so the way we reacted here, it was rejection, which is good, just as I anticipated. So let's see how we close here, right? We did close below on the 15, and now we need to see if we can close bearish here on this 15, giving us that resistance. So let's hang tight. Let the show play on. Yeah. What up, Dennis Hood? YOLO traders in the house. What up, YOLO? How you doing? Let's go. Got my first top one account. Beautiful. Yeah, top one's been solid, man. Yep. Yeah, we're going to have Matt on the live stream on Thursday. Thanks to Matt, we're going to be giving away a $50,000 challenge account. We might be able to give 2 of them away this week. So stay tuned to the live streams. Stay tuned. All right, look, this is good. That's what we want to see. Breathe Air. What up, Breathe Air? How you feeling today? How you doing? You missed my text? Scroll up, you like it? Oh man, AB Mike, it might be a goner. Oh, Ray Capital's in the house. Shout out to Ray Capital. What's good, Ray? What's good? Oh man, AB Mike, it might be a goner, G. Sandman in the building. What up, Sandman? Good morning. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, all Ray's brothers, too. Ray got the whole squad, the whole capital squad. Yes, sir. Did you miss the singing again? Yeah, you guys missed it. You got to come back tomorrow. You got to make sure you're here for the intro tomorrow. TK's in the building. TK's in the house. TK. Yeah. TK, bro. TK's in the virtual world again, chat. Sam Capital's in the building. Jesus, he walks with me. He's on our side. Let's go. Oi. Update the record. The record is updated. I just did that, man. Just did it right now. Another good day. Yes, it is. It's going to be another good day. Another great day here. Let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen here as well. And we'll look at NAS and see what we got going on here with NAS. Holy, I was watching a little bit of Raja today. A little bit of Roger. All right, let's do a top-down analysis here on NAS, and we'll talk about what we see here. So, what up, Adrian Freedom? What up, Dan? What's goody? What's goody? What's up, Scott? What up, Scott Blackwood? Yeah, let's take a FGJ. FGJ, man. Hey, I haven't held a trade that long in 3 years. In 3 years, I have not held for market close / open in 3 years. Crazy. But let's go ahead and take a look at NAS here real quick, and let's see what we got going on. So with NAS, you have the weekly time frame here. So we're up in no man's land, right? We're up in the outer space here. These are going to be your all-time highs here on NASDAQ. So we do want to see if we can get a pullback, right? You do have these wicks that came up. They all kind of came up to the same spot here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily's just continuing up, man. This thing's relentless. Absolutely relentless. So nothing we could do here, man, on the buys. Like, I think the only strategy you have here is, like someone said the other day, buy and just keep moving your stop loss. There's really no targets to the left that we can trade here. So, you know, we need to see something happen here. If we could break these lows today and close bearish, I think that'll be much better for us in terms of tomorrow, right? We can kind of close below here today, and maybe we'll have some hope for tomorrow, because we really need to see price kind of move down a bit. That way we have some tradable ranges, right? Other than that, right now we really don't have much. You know, there's not much to say here on NASDAQ. I can be your IG guru and say, I know exactly where it's going to go. But, I mean, gang, we're in this all-time high area, right? It's just all rejections to the top side. We need to see a closure back below, right? So we can get some new ranges, and then we can come back up and down and all that good stuff. But right now, there's, you know, you can target the high, right? You can target the high here. So let's see how we can target that high. So you have a nasty rejection from the downside here on NAS on the 4 hour. 1 hour is looking really good. 30-minute as well. You have, you know, pretty much this range right here, right? You have a resistance here. You have support, and that's pretty much it. You know, above here is your all-time high. So you got 28 pips. 28 pips. So, you know, not the best. Yeah, we need more data. We need more information here on NAS today. I really want to see how the daily candle closes. It would be nice to close bearish, reject these highs here, close bearish, break the lows, close below this resistance, and then we can kind of look towards wick fills and stuff for the remainder of the week. But right now, nothing much here on NAS. Yeah. Yeah. All right, gold. Good stuff here. So no top wick on the previous 1 hour candle, rejection to the, let's talk about gold real quick, right? Weekly candle is broke the lows here. Daily candle is closed bearish yesterday, has created a top wick. If it begins to break that low, then you should begin to fill this wick, right? The 4-hour candle is beginning to reject that resistance to the left. The 1-hour candle previously closed with no top wick. We came up into this zone here. The way we reacted was rejection. We're moving, we flipped bearish now, so we're trying to leave a little bit of a wick fill. The 30-minute has also flipped bearish, and it's going to close here in 2 minutes, right? So it's going to close here in 2 minutes. 15-minute also creating a resistance. So the idea here is, do we want to trade in the range, right? Do we want to trade in the range expecting that price will continue down here? Stops are about 46 pips. I might give it a shot. I might give it a shot. Break of the lows and see if we can come down towards 2015. So let's see how we close here in 1 minute, and we'll go from there. Oh. Where is Don? Have no idea. This isn't Don's channel, so Don definitely wouldn't be here. Am I using C Trader? No, I'm using MT5. MT5. All right, this range is about 35 pips right here. About 35 pips. Update the yearly. Yeah, I'll update all that stuff. That stuff is unimportant right this second. So I'll update the yearly. I got a few things to update these days, so yeah. Yeah, we're closing pretty good here. Pretty good. We are in this range here, but again, this range is about 35 pips, and then if you get a closure below, you know, you got about 110 pip range down there. Yeah. We also have 8:30 upon us too. Volume coming in. We also are rejecting that 4-hour high there, so it makes sense for the 4-hour to still pull back even more. And if we can get a top wick, I am going to have sell stops. Yeah, there it is, chat. I'm going to have sell stops here. Break of the lows. Yep. If you don't want to trade the range, you don't have to. I'm going to trade the range. I believe these stops are pretty solid here. You got a nice range here. We're bearish on the day. 4-hour is rejecting the high. 1-hour is looking to move bearish here. 30-minute did close bearish. 15-minute also closed bearish. We're anticipating the move to begin to happen here in the New York session. Top one. Yeah, man. I have not held a trade over the market close in a freaking while. Long time. Yeah, so we'll see if we can get activated here on gold and take this trade. Yeah. Johnny Boy's in the house, I think. Yes, he is. And Sam Capital. Okay. All right. What up, boys?
Yo, how you doing, bro?
Perfect. Fantastic. How are you?
Yo, I'm wonderful, bro. Wonderful. Better than I deserve. That's what Dave Ramsey says.
Better than I deserve. Yeah,
Better
you need to get rid of your credit cards.
Yeah. Sell the house.
Yep. Cut them up, baby. Cut them up. What up, Johnny boy?
What up, Nick? What up, Sam? How you guys doing?
How you doing, John? I'm doing great.
Doing great, bro. Feeling like the best day of my life.
Let's go. So I like to hear. Yeah, I'm watching TK spin like a top, bro.
Yo, TK, you flexing on us, bro.
Oh, he's about to square up with me.
TK's in a virtual world today. He's in there.
Yo, look at him, bro. What is that?
Yeah.
You guys
TK,
want
bro,
to
I
see
love it.
TK? Let's see TK.
That dude
Yeah,
was going like
look at
this. He's squaring up in the metaverse.
Yeah, TK.
Where's this guy?
That
Oh,
guy.
TK is activated.
This
Am I
dude's
activated?
in outer space.
Oh yeah, I am activated. Yeah, I guess I did get activated here, chat. So, did get activated here on gold buys. So let me get rid of this. So got into some sells on gold. Stops are going to be kept above the highs here. TPs are going to be down here towards 2015. We're expecting that this daily candle is ready to make its way down, break its own low, continue down. 4 hour is rejecting the highs here. 1 hour is struggling. Previous 1 hour candle closed with no top wick. We're struggling at this resistance. 30-minute candle has created a resistance, and that is what the trade is based off. So bearish day, bearish onion here, and we're going to see if we can make our way down.
Trusting in the most logical stops as well.
Yep. Keeping our stops above here, above the range here, back into that nasty, nasty range that we reacted with the rejection at, and that's going to be the move, man. We're believing that this candle, this daily candle, has a good shot at filling that wick here today. And we've already got the signal from the 30-minute closing bearish. We may move around in this range a little bit, but if the daily does want to get going here today, this is going to be a very, very nice entry for us.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Bearish day resistance.
Now just let the trade play out here.
Yeah.
So
all right, let's get TK off here so everyone's not looking at him.
spinning around.
He's like, yo, you had me on the live stream?
Bro, I'm about to, I gotta get a VR myself.
That one seems sick.
Right.
I've
Yeah,
actually
TK's awesome.
looked at the charts one time in a VR, but it was like 2 years ago. It was actually wild. I was like in my head thinking like, bro, like, could you imagine like I can't say it. I can't say it. It might steal someone stole my idea in the chat, bro.
Steal my idea, son.
Bro, nah, bro, that would take some getting used to for me.
Oh, I don't think I would actually trade it like that. I just was like looking at it. I'm like, yo.
Yeah. Facts.
Yeah, I don't know,
Feels like
man. Start controlling things with your
candles.
eyeballs.
Yeah, start hanging out with the candles.
Yo, for real.
I feel like you're sitting right next to him.
I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. What up, Anillo? Anything better than warm, fresh bread? I think a nice medium cooked steak. Oh, I think that's probably a little bit better. But yeah, warm bread, man. Warm bread's good. I'll post some videos later. Someone said we took 4 L's. No, we took 3. We took 3 here. So what time was this? This was 8:30. Oh. AM. 8:30 AM. This is 2:6. Wait. Right? 2:6. Wait.
2-6.
I gotta make this 2:5 then. 23, 24. Yeah. What year are we in? 24.
Bro, what is today? Wait, today is
We
the
are in
6th.
20.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's the 6th. Are we in 2024 though? Actually, who knows?
2024. Yeah, chat. We're gonna be doing another $50,000 challenge account giveaway here. I'm excited about. Hey, who else is pumped that we can do this? Like, this is insane, man. We're able to now give away accounts to our community. Like, that was the big thing I really fought for in our discussions and our sit downs was, yo, my community is everything. So like, you have to bless us, right? You have to bless us up. So man, these guys have been so generous. Let me pop the stream. Let me pop the stream up here. Did you guys give the stream a like here today? Give the stream a like if you're.
Oh, let me do that.
If you want to win
like
a 50K challenge account, you have to be subscribed to the channel, though. Got to be subbed. Yeah, we lit. Yeah, we're about to be like that channel that just gives away challenge accounts, like every week. We'd be like, yo, you ever been over to that TT channel? Them dudes be giving away $50,000 challenge accounts every week.
Hey, you if you're here every day, your probabilities are high, right? If you're here every week, probabilities are high. You get it.
That is true. Bro, I never thought that ever since like when we did those giveaways, like it'd be that hard to give some free money to someone.
No facts.
Right?
Like
crazy. Pretty dope.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, no, we're probably on pace this month to give away a couple $1 million in challenges. Yeah. Yeah,
that's
by
crazy.
the end of February. Plus, we're giving away 4 $50,000 challenge accounts for the bootcamp. So that's going to be nuts too. So if you guys are coming to the bootcamp, be there, man. You're going to have a chance to win. And the bootcamp is much smaller. Like there's probably going to be 100 people at the bootcamp. Maybe 200. So like your odds are much better there. And we're giving 4 of them away. Yeah.
So not only do you have a chance to win an account, but you're also about to get hella knowledge that's going to be very valuable for you in your journey and that you can constructively use.
Yeah, who's in the last
Sounds like
bootcamp?
a great deal.
If you guys are in the last boot camp, I applaud you guys because you guys came in, you guys came hungry, you came prepared. Like Sam, how many notebooks did we see? How many dudes were sharpening pencils, bro, flying around, throwing pens, doing this, cooking it. I'm like damn. Class. So shout out to all you guys that were in the building on the last 3-day boot camp because that was insane. And we seen a lot of people get funded after that, which is fire. That tells me that people took it serious, that they came prepared, they took notes, and they were there to learn. You know, and those that were there to learn, learned, right? They learned. So W.
Yeah, my favorite part, like, is just seeing all of the, you know, I feel like now you're starting to see like these people really put the knowledge to work. And that too, which is like, for me, I love it, bro. Like I love seeing people playing around with the fundamentals, sample size, and testing things out, getting better with being spot on with the news. Like a lot of you guys are impressing me, and like,
yeah, people are growing.
This ain't an easy game.
People are growing.
No sir.
How do we get in the boot camp? You got to hit exclamation point, I think boot camp, right, in the chat. Exclamation point boot camp. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a solid prop firm, hit top 1, exclamation point top 1. Get a challenge with them guys. We're going to have Matt from Top 1 here on Thursday. He's the owner of the company, and the dude's an absolute beast. I'm going to tell you guys more about Matt on Thursday, but I highly, highly respect this man. He's done a lot of great things. He comes from his story is crazy. His background is nuts. So to be able to get to where Matt and Clay, you know, we had Clay on here last week. They both have pretty interesting stories, and I just love hearing about the overcomer. You know, I love hearing about the guy who, you know, he wasn't the one to make it, but he did. Right? He took whatever life threw at him. He dug deep and he made it happen. So I love an underdog story. Matt has such a great underdog story, just like Clay did. And yeah, Matt's gonna be here on Thursday.
Bro, that's really the most beautiful thing about like how their story, bro, their journey. And a lot of you people are trying to hit a goal right now, and maybe you're not really happy or content with where you are now, but you need to start to be, right? I feel like the destination is what everyone looks at. No one looks at the process, right? But when you look at the process, that's the prize. That's the actual prize. And the truth is, right, price of progress is pain, and most people don't want to experience pain, right? They like comfort. So if you want progress, you must be willing to, in the process, experience pain so that you may achieve your goal, right? The process is the journey, y'all. Enjoy it, right? Embrace it all. We're here to experience life and enjoy it all. So no matter where you are, what does Paul say? Bear all things with joy, right? Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the self-development.
Talk to him, baby.
Let's get it. Get it.
Yeah, that's the shortcut, the secret. Fall in love with the craft. Don't chase the money, right?
Yeah.
If you're chasing the money, you're not gonna get very far.
Let me teach you guys how to enjoy the journey. Let me show you guys something. So just like Sam said, there's two categories of people, right? You have the pros. Let's do this. You've got the pros, right? And then you've got the amateurs. And here's what a win is for the amateur. Money. Right? They think money's the big win. Here's a loss for the amateur. Money. Right? So the amateur continues to focus on money while the pro focuses on following the plan. Okay? Right? So the win for the pro is following the plan. The loss for the pro is not following the plan. Right? These are totally different mindsets. So the guy who is always focused on the money, when he takes a win, he jumps up and down. He gets all excited. He goes, "Oh my God, look at this. I'm a great trader today." But then when he takes a loss, he cries, right? He cries. You hear him. You see him in the chat. They're Quakers. We hit them with the, they're crying because what they're focused on is money, not understanding that the real focus needs to be on the skill. So what is the plan? The plan is your playbook, right? So if you could begin to focus on the playbook only, we know that the playbook, let's go ahead and take a look. 119 wins, is that what it says? 119. And what does it say? 38? Let's just call it 40, right? 40 losses. So wins, losses. Right? The pro focuses on following this playbook because the pro knows that over the course of a year, he will win by being disciplined. But this dude, he focuses on winning. So when the playbook doesn't win, you know what he does? He goes to the next shiny playbook. And then the next shiny playbook. And then the next shiny playbook. And what happens is he gets caught up in this spinning cycle. This cycle that most traders never get out of. And if they do, they get spit out. And they got to go back and get a job. Right? Where the pro, he learns this idea in this circle. Nothing wrong with being in the circle. Nothing wrong with being in the whirlwind, right? The trader whirlwind. The only difference is when he gets spit out with a lesson, right? A lesson. And that lesson is discipline. And what is it discipline to? Discipline to the playbook. Discipline to his system. Not my playbook. Not John's playbook. Not Sam's playbook. His playbook, right? The one that he has information on. The one that he has data on, right? So now every time this guy takes a loss, he only has to do one thing. Did I follow my plan? If he did, then that loss is a W. If he broke his plan, then he needs to continue learning, right? So this is what the pros focus on. This is what the amateurs focus on. The amateurs try and chase money. Chat, what happens when you try and chase something? You guys ever try and chase a rabbit, squirrel, anything? You guys ever try and chase something? What happens? What happens? It runs. And it runs fast and quick. See, I never chase money, ever. Money comes to me, right? Because I've created who I want to be. And when you're focused on the playbook, guess what comes to you? Money. So you don't have to go get it. All you have to do is focus on this, on being a pro and doing what pros do, and the money will begin to chase you, right? When you start chasing money, it runs from you. So understand that the more you focus on the plan and the playbook and your system, and you dial in on that day in and day out, the more money you will actually make. Okay? And this is how you do it in trading. Right? See this guy here, he cares about the next trade. Right? Oh my God, I took a loss. Oh yes, I took a win. Hoo-hoo. Yeah. Oh, another win. I'm really getting this. Loss. Right? This guy focuses on that, and then he gets spit out, and he either runs out of money or he drives himself crazy. Right? He drives himself insane because he can't do it. He can't figure it out because he keeps jumping from playbook to playbook to playbook to playbook. Right? So when you focus on your system, when you focus on the long term, that's what separates the pros from the amateurs. So if you can understand this concept and understand it now and not spend unnecessary time going around in this circle and just learn the lessons of the circle, right? Then that's when you will get spit out and you will act as a professional, right? When did I stop caring about the results? When I understood the results were out of my hand, right? The results aren't in my hand. You know what's in my hand? Did I follow the plan? If I follow the plan, the results will come, right? Remember, it will come to me. I don't have to chase it, right? It'll come to me. It may not come in a week. It may not come in a day. It may take 2 quarters, right? It may take the year to look back, right? So what you want to do is you want to focus on that plan, focus on that system, and focus on the next 100 trades, not on the next 2 trades, not on the next 3 trades, because your edge doesn't result in those 2 or 3 trades, right? Your edge results in the next 100 trades, 150 trades. So focus on that. Be a long-term thinker. Get rid of the, short-term mentality. That's for brokies. I promise you, brokies have short-term thinking, right? So keep this stuff in mind as you move about your journey, and understand trading isn't easy. Trading isn't easy peasy like everyone makes it seem to be, right? Don't let these guys fool you. Don't let them fool you. I have to tell you that this stuff is hard, right? It would be a disservice of me to tell you that this isn't hard. This is hard work. That's why very, very few people make it here.
That's facts, bro.
Cool?
Traders, you want to be great? Consistently follow your edge. We talk about the compound effect. We talk about stacking wins, right? Hitting the gym, reading the book, your Bible. Those are stacking wins. Same thing in trading. Just following your edge every day, a win.
Keep it simple.
Simple.
Keep it simple. What do we do here? We followed our plan, right? We're bearish on the day. We understand the 4 hour was beginning to reject. We understand that the 1 hour was rejecting as well. Previous candle close with no top wick. 30-minute close bearish. Took sells in the break of the lows, right? Simple 30-minute onion play. Simple. Is this trade going to work? I don't know. What I do know is that there's probably an 80% chance it will work, 20% chance it won't work. And guess what? Guess who's cool with that? Me. Sam. John.
I'll take my edge. Come on, bro.
Cool with it, bro.
What you mean, bro? What else am I gonna do? Hop on 1 minute, start gambling?
Bro, my skill set is everything, bro. I gotta have trust in it.
Yeah, it's so true. I mean, it's just like, chat. You'll get to a point where you do this for so long, and it beats you up for so long that you realize it's like, all right, I gotta tighten up and change something, get discipline, or this is never gonna work. Right? You're just wasting your own time, and then it's just gonna destroy your psychology.
Yep.
So, tighten up.
And you want to make a living off trading? You got to do your job, right? And your job is following your edge. So if you can't do your job, you're going to lose it. And you're going to have to get a different job. So,
yep. Yeah, Is it okay to lose 3 in a row? It's totally fine, right? We've been here before. We were here last year, 3 in a row, right? What happened after that? We just focused, right? We just focused on continuing doing the same thing, and then we went on a run. So, what is our record? It's like, I don't know, what is it? I think I see let's say 119 and 40. Let's just say that, right? 119 and 40. So guess what I did different on these wins than I did with these losses? You want to know what I did differently? Guess what I did differently? Nothing. I did the same exact thing to get 119 wins that I did to get 40 losses. Same exact thing. Same trades, same mindset, same setups, same edge. Nothing differently. So, do we control the result? No, we don't. All we can control is running the play. That's all we can control. So, when I tell you trading's hard, I mean hard. And when I tell you it's simple, I do mean it's simple. And you may think your brain may not be able to comprehend what it is that I'm saying, where it is hard. It's hard to finally begin to understand that it's simple. And the concept that we just talked about is simple, right? It's just, can you do it? Can you actually follow the plan? Right? Because once you can follow the plan, that's when it begins to get simple. Right? That's when you stop quaking. That's when you stop getting all nervous and, questioning yourself and all that stuff. Right? But is it easy to get to the point where it's simple? Clearly not. Clearly not, because 95% of traders fail.
Yep.
So you got to have ears to hear.
Yes.
Right? One of the questions we got asked one time was, what's the hardest part about trading? The hardest part about trading is understanding that it's not that hard after all. Right? But you have to finally understand that. And what I mean that, you have to come to an agreement with yourself, and you have to create a business plan and say, hey, this is the plan that I will follow in my business, because that's what trading is. Trading is a business.
Sir.
Win rate does not mean good trader. RR is how. And then you have other people say RR is not how you win trade, not how you judge a trader. Win rate is. So it really doesn't matter. None of that matters. Literally. Right? They say there's so many ways to skin a cow or skin a cat, right? There's every way works, G. You can have a good win rate and win. You can have a good RR and win. You can have our playbook and win. You can have your playbook and win. Every way wins. It's just, will you actually stay disciplined long enough to let it play out so it can be a win for you? Every system works. Every strategy works. Right? It's just, will you stick around long enough to figure out the nuances, to figure out the little details within that strategy to make it work for you? Right? When you're hopping system to system, it's never going to work, G.
No, when you got a technical system, you need to have mental toughness with that as well. You need to, because traders, right? What does the average trader do? He takes a loss and he accepts that loss that he took defines him as the losing trader, a loser. But don't do that. Separate yourselves from the unprofessional traders, right? Understand that it's fine. It's okay to take a loss. It's part of the game. I just paid rent. I'm back to it with again, right? Trusting my edge. Run it back up, right? It's so simple. It's complicated. Just like the secret, right, to success and the secret to failure is we become what we think about. How come that's so simple, but it's complicated, right? Because the majority of people, they can't think correctly, right? So same thing in trading. We need to think correctly. We need to think like a professional trader. We need to trust in that edge.
Yeah, go read Think and Grow Rich. It says the secret is in every chapter, and now go find it. How come we're not expecting a bullish day? Because the previous daily candle here closed bearish. So we could move bullish today, but we're expecting this candle to make a top wick and then potentially fill that wick there, right? That's the move we're anticipating. on the bearish day. So can we move bullish? Absolutely. Will we? We'll see. Right? We can go up or down here today.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. One thing we do know is our stops are in logical spot and we're a-okay with our risk. So it really doesn't matter whether we win or lose. I know for some of you guys it matters because you guys are over risking and you don't understand this trade because you just come to a live stream to try and make money. Right? Like we talked about, you just here, you never been here before, but you took my trade. You don't even know me. You don't even know if I've ever won a trade, but you take this one and then you complain that you're in drawdown, right? It doesn't make sense, right? Why are you doing that to yourself? Right? Message. How does it not matter if I win or lose? What don't you understand?
You weren't listening.
It doesn't matter if I win or lose. What do you need further explanation on?
Bro, the only thing that matters, y'all, is that we execute on the edge. Nothing else matters. Come on.
Yes, sir. Let's yeah, no. There's nothing to manage here yet. Nothing to manage. We're still below the range here. We're still open on the 30. We've respected the highs. The only little thing that happened here was the 15 high broke. We got no bottom wick on this candle. We're below the range still. So until we actually like close above there, then there's really nothing to manage here. Yeah, 30 minutes going to close here. 1 hour is going to close. And a 4 hour. So a major level of resistance here in 4 seconds. So we did close below the range here. So really nothing to manage. 1 hour did close bullish. That's not on our side, but we did close bullish right at resistance. So that is on our side. 30-minute highs are up here. So we never broke the highs there. And we also have very little to no top wick on that candle. So just going to hang tight here.
Yes, sir. A very wise man once said when he created his plan to escape the matrix, or whatever you want to call it, right? His plan to achieve success. All he did was plan, execute, iterate, right? Iterate. If y'all don't know what iterate means, it means to perform repeatedly. In trading, that's exactly what we do. We plan, we execute, and we iterate. So just follow the success principles and you'll attract success.
Yo, Sam, how's that puppy doing? I haven't heard you talk about the puppy in a while.
Yo, I was just gonna ask that. Well, I could yell for her, see if she'll come. Let me
give it a little whistle.
I'm gonna go get her, bro.
Get her.
On her way. I gotta open the door up anyways. Yeah. She getting big though, bro. She got like big bad ears. And then yeah, her paws are getting huge. I think she's gonna be bigger than Moon, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
growing.
It's crazy.
She's growing.
I feel like dogs have a very nice positive vibe to them. Sam, I don't know if it's just me.
True. Yeah, and so like my dogs are like they're like smaller, but they're not like annoying like Chihuahuas, bro. Like they're like brutes. Like Moon, dude, like I was taking her for a walk the other day. She almost passed out just because like she wants to run against the leash the whole time. She's choking herself. She seen her dog or something, bro. She back on
She
crazy.
got motion. She got motion.
Yeah.
Hey, what up, Green? Green's in the house. Give me 1 second. I'll be
Greenery.
right back.
Green.
Oh, brother Green, how's that today?
Hold on a second.
Yeah, shout out the Quakers. Yeah. Bring out the googly eyes. AB Mike, yo, what up, AB Mike? How you doing, bro? How you doing, George? What entry type is this? Resistance created on a bearish day. That's the point of it. Hey, thank you, Dion. You rock. You rock. You guys all rock. Who's gonna believe unless you do?
Believe.
Yeah, she's
Hey,
being a
Dino,
clown.
I'm doing absolutely great, bro. Hope you're doing good. Xander, what's up, Xander?
Ooh, Ali Reza's in the house.
Hey, what up,
Let's go,
Ali Reza?
Ali Reza. Ali
How you
Reza.
doing?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Green's back. Greenery. What up, Dino?
Green's a G.
Got you, John. Got you, got you.
Talking to me? Nah.
John in the chat.
John in the chat. What's up, fellow John?
Fellow John. Fellow John.
Yo, who is here in the chat today? What up?
Everyone's
Trying to see,
here.
Everyone.
Everybody.
Everyone's here.
TK here. What up? What up,
Whole
TK?
community.
Shout out to TK, man. Technical difficulties this morning, but TK's on it.
Yo, my man TK, bro. You're
He
clutch.
is that guy.
Definitely.
See you?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
TK, though? He's that guy.
Yeah, Jessica Lake. I went and got a new one now. She'll be alright. Her old one was just too small, bro. I had to get a new harness or move.
Why you put a huge stop loss? You guys are funny. You guys are fun.
Bro, why are you negatively comment? Bro, go somewhere else. Ah,
Chat, you guys are hilarious.
I love people.
Me too.
Love you, man.
We're all,
Love,
Yeah,
all,
you
we're
can
all
see
children
love
that.
y'all.
of God.
You can see the stop loss before you enter. I mean, I don't know. I look where I put mine before I enter. I don't know about the chat, but I don't know.
Come on, Chai. You should
Yanosh
never
in
take
the
a
house.
trade day.
What up, Yanosh?
You wouldn't want to take. You know?
But
No, it's not that they took it either. It's just like, I would never ask you why your stop loss is that big.
yeah, that's what
Never.
Yeah.
Big facts, but they probably did take.
My question is, why'd you put that stop loss? Just because I did.
Right. Copycat.
Oi, oi.
Oh, Yeah, so what we want to see now is a new resistance. If we can get a new resistance to form up here, then that's a good sign for us.
Sir.
I took 3 L's today, but I was totally cool with it, so I went out now. There you go. There you go. Yeah, just adjust your lots. Yeah, if you, that's what I do. I trade risk percentage, so my lots adjust for me. I do the percentage thing.
We do a little percentage trading.
Wait, lol. Sasquatch.
Sasquatch. Yeah, let's see what Nas is doing. Nas trying to work its way down here too. No bottom wick on this candle. So, yeah, if Nas can close bearish too, I mean, that would be awesome. You see this candle has no bottom wick there. So if we do close bearish, you may be forming a resistance. All right, something like this. Potentially price come down, retest those lows. Shoop. Yeah. Hey, if you guys haven't given the stream a like, if you're enjoying your time here, give the stream a like today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel to win a chance for a 50K challenge account. Yeah, we're very fortunate enough. We've linked arms with Top One Trader. Top One has been very generous with my not my recommendations, my requirements, I should say. Right, and they're hooking us up, man. They really are. So we're gonna give away a 50K challenge account. That's most likely why the Quakers are here today, because they're trying to make money off of us. So they're probably trying to win that 50K challenge account. But yeah, we're gonna give that away. Maybe 2 of them this week. So we'll keep you guys posted. It may be today, maybe tomorrow. It might be Thursday when Matt's here. Might even be Friday. So we're not too sure yet. 5K viewers. Oh wow. Shout out to all 5K of you guys on the live stream today. You guys are obviously looking to move forward in life and in your trading, and glad to have you guys here.
Yes, sir.
It's
the bridge
focus on the
to
process.
success.
Yeah, man. You guys may be struggling. You may be down and out. You may be dealing with things on the charts, off the charts. But honestly, I'm just here to tell you that it'll be all right. If you just continue to follow the rules of success, the laws of the game, you will win. If you can control your mindset, control your emotions, stay composed in life, whether it's on the charts or off the charts, you're going to do well. You're going to separate yourself from most individuals out there. And over time, life will work out for you. But you got to give it time. And most people just don't want to give things time, whether it be trading, whether it be relationships, whether it be, I don't know, new instruments that you're looking to learn. Whatever it is, it's going to take time, and you got to understand that there's a sowing and a reaping process to everything you do in life. So trust the process, fall in love with the process, and understand there's really no destination, right? Because by the time you get to the place that you wanted to go, you already got bigger dreams, you already got bigger goals. So you want to go peak to peak, gang, right? You don't want to stretch yourself too far. You want to kind of get a good solid goal in front of you, attack it, and then continue to move on to the next one. But if you're down and out, trust me, there's hope, man. There's hope. Got to figure it out. Got to identify what it is that's holding you back, and correct it, adjust it,
Crush it.
crush it.
Sure. And enjoy every single part of life, right? Like, people look so much into the future where they don't get to really experience the present. So stay present. You're living your life right now. You're getting to experience life. Enjoy it.
Good or
Enjoy
bad.
it.
Good or bad, it's
Yeah.
all an experience.
Like I said before, the ultimate prize is the process, not the destination. So focus on the process and everything will be great. Stay present.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you could get right to the end goal that you're looking to get to, I mean, it wouldn't even be that rewarding anyways.
Exactly.
Everyone
Trust
would
me.
do it.
Someone's
You're always gonna want more.
Yeah, and the other thing too is someone's always gonna have more than you, right? And then someone's always gonna have less than
Exactly.
you. So, you know, you just gotta fall in love with your journey, right? Don't look left, don't look right. Find out the goal, the vision that God placed in your heart, and go after it. Simple.
Yo, Stuart, money, facts, bro. 2 words that will change your life. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. Can you guys just believe that? Whatever you're doing, can you just believe that it's possible? Do that.
Major drawdown? Let me see. Oh, no, not at all, man. Not at all. There's levels to drawdown. Levels to the drawdown game.
Levels to the game, G. Don't watch the money. Don't watch the drawdown. Let's see how the candles are closing up. 15-minute might give us a resistance here, and then we'll maybe come back down. Chat can stop quaking.
Yeah, to be honest, you guys are staring at the P&L more than I am. I don't even see it. I don't care what it is, because remember, I'm prepared for a full smackaroo here, right? I'm prepared to lose it all if it goes against me. So whatever is in the floating drawdown is really, nothing.
Sir. You have no expectations, right? So there will be no frustration. When you expect some and it doesn't happen, then you're frustrated. So if you're a trader today who gets frustrated taking losses, that tells me you're expecting that every trade you take is gonna be a winner. You need to stop expecting that. Understand it's a probability game. If you can understand that, and if you can have that perspective, you're gonna see different results in terms of how you're feeling, how you're thinking, and it's gonna help out majorly.
Yeah.
What happened, bro? What are y'all saying I'm doing in the chat? I haven't done anything.
Sam is in the
I'm
chat.
not to know.
Oh,
I'm
he's
just
oiling
looking
in the
at
chat.
I'm not even sure, bro.
What do they got, cameras in there or something? Like, crazy.
15-minute closing below.
15 closing below.
So we're still ahead.
15 closed below. All right, nothing
Yeah,
to do
if we
here.
could re-break those 4-hour lows like the current ones, then it'll probably start to look way better.
Yeah.
Like I think we're still ahead in this.
Yep. Is TK
Saying
still
I
in the
gave you,
Matrix? Nah. TK. He's here.
Dan, then just lower your risk, bro. If that's your concern, that's an easy fix. That's something you can control. Just lower your risk.
Sam got to wake up Biden.
Nah, bro, we'll keep him asleep. We like it like that. You can do his thing,
Yeah,
bro. We'll take
keep him
over.
sleeping.
Real
Don't worry,
bosses
they'll be
take
able to
over.
handle it.
Please.
Yeah, we got to handle, bro. Finish your nap. You need an extra 15, Joe? Sleepy Joe? Go take it, bro.
He's like, give me an extra 5 minutes, Mom. It's like, Joe, your mom passed away 49 years ago.
That's great. That's funny.
Crazy.
Hey, I got date night this Friday. Hey. We got we don't do the whole Valentine's thing, we're completely outside of the matrix when it comes to that stuff, right? If you go out on Valentine's night, that's just bot behavior right there, man. Come on, you gotta know better than that, gentlemen, you gotta take your lady, but you know what? You're something special, honey. While all the other ladies are out there on Valentine's Day, I'm gonna give you a special night. We're gonna do it the day before, man. We're gonna be different. Yeah, you got to get out the matrix, man. You go on Valentine's Day, the prices go up, and The place is packed, man. You don't want. You don't
Yeah,
want.
bro.
Yeah. Man, I do everything. Everything
Back
I
with fake
do.
love.
All the activities that we typically do are between like 1 and 3 p.m. when the entire matrix is in the cubicle, right? The best time to have fun and do activities is when everyone else is, you know, in the chamber, or as Green would call it, in the bunker.
Plugged
In the
in.
bunker.
In the bunker, right? That's when we go out to eat, and that's when we go do activities and, you know, all that good stuff. Can't be doing that at 5 p.m. Can't be doing it at noon. That's when everyone else is outside, man, trying to get some fresh air. Been breathing recycled air the whole morning. They're just trying to get some fresh air, man. You got Sally farting over there in the cubicle. You're like, yo, whoa, whoa. Yeah, man. Got to be different. Got to step outside the matrix.
That's hilarious. Got Sally quaking in the cubicle.
Sally quaking in the cubicle. Dudes be flexing in the cubicle. Like this. My new watch. Oh, man.
Dudes be trying to waste, man.
Sorry, guys, for the cubicle guys.
I had to watch a
I used to
stream
be-
to see that.
I used to be in a cubicle, too. Don't worry. But we
If
we
you're
cracked
still in the
code.
cubicle, you can escape, and I believe you will. If you believe you will.
Hey, new member from Kenya. Hey, it was good. It was good. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone that's new here. We joke around a bit.
Welcome.
We talk about the Matrix a little bit, but we talk about a lot of things that matter here too. But we do like to have fun as well.
Definitely.
Just a good vibe. Do a little trolling, a little joking.
Yeah.
We got to, bro. We can't be all serious, you know? Like, where's the fun?
Sally farts unbound. You gotta smell Sally's like lunch, like leftovers from last night, like heating up off the microwave, completely nuking the. It's not even food anymore after after it comes out that microwave, man.
It's making her
lick.
silently fart.
Oh, lick. Nuke the food.
No thanks, bro. No thanks.
Nuke it. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see what happens here in this trade. Nothing to do, right? Price is still below resistance here. We're rejecting. We're trying to attempt to get back above it, but it's not quite working. You got 9:30 coming up in 10 minutes. 15-minute candle close below, so just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Yeah, if the
Bro,
daily.
I'm looking forward to.
My
Sorry.
bad. I was just going to say, if the daily candle does decide to move down, though, we have a wonderful entry here today. If not, then it's not a biggie.
Sure. Yo, facts, Joe. That's from that genetically modified food Sally was eating last night before work.
She and the Weight Watchers.
Eating the no, not gonna say it.
Anyway, how about them? How about that Super Bowl speaking of? Yeah, that's another. Hey, actually, let's not talk about that either.
Man, I love the journey of success. I love it. Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal, right? As long as we're progressing in the skill that we're looking to achieve, right? We're successful. Go.
Yeah, bro. And it ain't easy. It's another reason I like it. Enjoy it. It ain't easy.
100%.
One of my favorite things about trading versus like a job or career or whatever is that, well, let's just say like you're getting paid like a wage by the hour. Someone could be doing half the work as you and making the same amount of money day in, day out. Right? But in trading, you don't get that at all. Now, I'm not saying like whoever presses buy and sell more is gonna, it's whoever's the most patient, does the most studying, puts the most work in, and really applies himself who's going to be the best.
100%. Yes, sir.
That's why I love this.
Sir, it goes to the patient traders, not the impatient. The money. I love that.
It's also freedom. Yes, sir. Trader 97.
Oh
So,
yeah,
yeah.
I write a bunch of things I'm grateful for, and what I wrote down today was I'm grateful for trading, for the opportunity it gives me for freedom, right? I'm grateful for the opportunity trading allows me to have, right? It gives me that, so super grateful. Hopefully everyone's feeling great too today. You know, you got positive vibes today. I know everyone's situations are different, right? But you know, really, if you got a roof over your head, food in your mouth, shelter, people who love you, everything else is extra. That's all you really need. Don't worry too much, right? Because worry brings fear, and fear is crippling. Just count your blessings. Yes, sir. People always want more and more and more and more, and want so much, but it's like you really got it. You really got what you need, right? If you got what the things I said, you got a good life, right? You're really blessed. Yeah, man. I found myself stressed wanting more, but I came to terms like, wait, I got everything I need. Everything else is extra. Doesn't mean I won't pursue to get it, right? But I got what I need, so. Yes, sir, that's facts. Remember, we control the inputs, right? And the output is guaranteed, right? So if you have a certain outcome or certain result on a certain date in your life right now, you 100% can control it, right? If you want to change the output, change the result of that, you can 100% change it with your inputs, right? And that's the beauty of it, right? We get to control it. We get to control our inputs so that we can have the outcome that we want. If you have a hard time, you know, I don't know, waking up in the morning or feeling tired when you're supposed to feel good, it's definitely something you can control.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't talk about food. The food channel.
Ricardo, bro. I'm craving some organic grass-fed meat.
Grass-fed. Desk setup channel. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, I found my old desk setup too. The one that I first began the live streams with. Yeah. Oh, Brax got a workout in. Let's go. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Good stuff, Brax. That's the dopamine I'm chasing. That long-term one.
Oh, so we broke the high. Rejected almost right away. Are we still in this trade? We're still in the trade. So we'll see where we go from here. Food channel is on. The food channel fire. Let's see. We got any new food in the food channel? Oh, damn. Toro. Holy. My boy feasting from Chile. Let's take a look at this. Damn. Got some chicken. Looks like some steak. Sausage. Nicely done. Nicely done. Whose food is that? That's from Chile. From Chile, Chile. So we got 9:30 coming up here in about 2 minutes. So we're gonna see how we do here at 9:30. 9:30 is either gonna blast up and tap us out, or we're gonna break those lows there on the 30 and then begin to head down. I don't think the 4 hour really has much of a bottom wick. This is a bottom wick here. Yeah, so we'll see what happens in this rejection area on the 4 hour. Are you having, oh no, oh yeah, my bad, the stream, yeah, nah, that was the stream earlier. Yeah, the stream went down earlier. Well, I took it down because it wasn't, you know, working properly. Stop loss? Stop. Everything's on the screen. Yeah, everything's on the screen. You guys can see my screen, right? Sam went to go wake up Biden. Brother Sam fell off the chair.
And man.
Yeah, last February, I remember we took 3 losses in a row. Last February. Or the food pick. Yeah, if you look at the journal here, yeah, we took 3 L's in a row there in February. We finished the month with a win, and then March we kind of went on a nice little, I think it was like a 9 or 10 pip, I think it was like a 9 pip run there. And then as markets started heating up here in February, March, April. All right, chat. I'm going to add a position here. I'm going to add another sell stop on the break of the lows. Oh, whoopsies. Wrong one. And expecting 9:30 to push us down here. Yeah. So yeah, got into another sell right there. Sell stops. We did get activated though. I'll just customize it here. Yeah, so if we break the low here, we're expecting price excuse me, to continue driving down here. We should be good down towards like 2023 as well. So once we break those lows and get past our original break-even point, then we should be good to go. Yeah. Got slipped? Yeah, I got slipped a little bit there. Actually, no, I got a pretty decent price. So we do have volume in. Give it a few minutes, and then we should begin to move up or down. You know, either way, we should move. We should begin to move. We should have volume in. Yeah, that 30 did close bearish as well, which is good. Bring out the whole spring water. Bring out the whole spring water.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Tell him bring it out.
I need that filtered water fountain in my crib.
Tell him bring it out.
I'm gonna tell him.
Is this following the playbook? Yes, this is another onion play here at 9:30 on a bearish day. Yep. The only time I ever add positions is when it's an actual new setup. You guys know I won't just add position randomly. It has to be a brand new setup that I would take had I not even taken this trade to begin with. So had we not even taken a trade, we would have been in this trade right here. Yeah. Yep. Oh. How many push-ups you guys out here today, chat? How you feeling?
Good. Yeah, for real. What y'all hit in the gym?
TK forgot, huh?
What y'all hit in the gym today?
I didn't go to the gym today. I go later. I
Yeah.
usually go to the gym around like 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. TK. Let's take a look at Nas here too. Yeah, Nas drove down here pretty nicely as well. Nice. Gold should follow suit here. Yeah, I used to go to the gym in the morning. I like, for me, I like more of a relaxed morning than a very super, you know, like push-ups is what I'll do, push-ups, but I like a relaxed morning. I like to pray. I like to study my Bible. I like to, you know, do breath work, journal. So it's more of like a relaxed morning, and then I'll do the gym and stuff later. Do you journal the second trade as one trade? I'll probably journal them both, two trades. Yeah. So 9:30, we should be able to burst through that support there. So I'm not going to do anything here. Just going to, you know, count on volume to continue pushing. Yeah, Nas really ripping here. This is what we anticipated on Nas too. Yeah, give me one sec.
Hey, AB Mike, nice, bro. Cold shower. That's what's up, bro. You liking it? TK's with the hot tub. You, oh, TK, hot. You like the hot tub? I got you. You guys like the hot tub better, or the pool? If you had the option for both, which one you going to first? Facts, bro. A pool is a must down here in Florida. AB Mike, bro. I love that. No trades for me if no cold showers. Bro, I like it, bro. Work on that discipline. That's what's up, man. If over a year, bro, that's really good. You're starting to feel the benefits now, right? Alareza, you got it. That's my legs. How are you feeling? Gold Trump, yeah, gold's gonna do what it wants to do, right? At the end of the day, whatever it wants to do, that's what it's gonna do.
Oh, good. We got a top wick. All right, chat. I just cracked a hundo, so I'm at a hundo on before chest day. Yeah.
You already have an edge on everyone who's going today at the gym to chest.
Yep. Just got to give it time.
Oh, AB Mike, that sounds great, bro. Hell yeah. Nice little shock in the morning.
Yeah, I got an ice bath. So I just moved into my new spot. So I'm going to get everything organized there, and then I'll set the ice bath up.
Oh, bro. Excited to join you on that.
Let's go, Robbie. How you feeling? Good to see you. Hitting push-ups. Yeah, shock in the morning.
Bro,
yeah,
facts.
that's. Yeah, I like doing it, just not the whole bath, man. Like sometimes I used to do cold showers, but I'll hit cold water to the face. Yeah. Mods are working today. All right, so we made a top wick now. That's good. We had very little to no top wick there. We want to see gold do what Nas did. Just drive down here. Gold playing games.
For real.
What time is it? We got a 15-minute closure coming up here.
Sir.
GJ, nothing. And Nas moving good on the way down here for the open. Wild candle here, though. Open candles, crazy. Crazy, crazy.
Yeah, Paul. scientifically proven too. 5 to 7 days of straight water fast reduces your chance of cancer by like 90 to 99%.
You guys fast? You guys do any fasting out there in the chat world?
Sure, bro. Fasting is great.
Fasting.
Bro, honestly, when I remember when I first started fasting, that's when I started to actually feel really good, start to think really clear. Vortex 1 meal a day too. Nice.
Every 6 months, a 1 week fast? Oh, wow, nice.
I like that.
All right, 26 seconds. This candle looks like it may close with no top wick. Only fast when stop loss gets hit. All right, man, I'm out.
Fasting or feasting, both.
Could that be a liquidity grab? Yeah, this right here could be a liquidity grab right here. You never know, right? We're trying to force our way down, but we weren't able to keep moving, so it could be. I think the candle closed, right? Yeah, candle closed bullish here with very little to no top wick. I'm just gonna hang on here, chat. If we start smoking these highs, then we'll be out. That'll be the daily re-breaking its own high.
There you go, ice pips. Fasting's key, man.
Yeah. I think my stop is like right here. Too many people. Don't fast too much. Yeah. I mean, I guess eat when you're hungry, Eat when you're hungry if you need to. Sam's focused. He's focused. You got motion. What happened with Joey B over there?
Joey B? Who's that? Oh. Oh, Sam's on mute.
Oh, my bad, Sam. I'm sorry, mate.
No, that was me. My brother was tweaking. He's like, "This shit in the dryer."
Where's my clothes, Sam?
I didn't want it to hear on the stream.
Yeah. I remember those days.
You used my boxers again.
Basically, bro.
Minute stakes.
Nah, TK. Could you imagine? I would definitely not do that.
Minute stakes.
Oh, I think stops got hit here. Let me see. Yeah, stops got. Oh, yeah, stops got hit there, chat. Yep. Good entry from the jump, man. If we were really gonna move down, so now this daily candle will most likely create support here today. Yeah, because if you get rid of everything here, now what's happening is you probably create support, right, for the weekly candle to begin to move back up now. See, the weekly gave a pack runner there. and then boom, now you may see this candle start to drive and fill that wick. But it all has to do with today's daily candle. Like if this daily candle can actually create support, then yeah, you may see a retest of the highs there. So someone was asking about a wick fill earlier too. So this would be a wick fill. So you see how the weekly candle has this wick to fill here? This is what it will most likely look like. So you'll have let's say it's the 30-minute time frame, you'll have a support form, and then what happens from here is you have the wick fill. And what that means on the lower time frame is that's just price retesting the high. Right? So pretend that was like pretend the weekly is a 4-hour candle, and then the daily is your 30-minute. That's all a wick fill really is. So it looks like a wick fill on the higher time frames, but on the lower time frame, it's just a retest of resistance or support. Yeah.
Question for Sam and John: how did you guys go full-time trading? Did you have a job before or what? Yeah, so I can explain my side of it a little bit. Yeah, I've had 2 or 3 jobs before. Worked in a factory, worked in a hospital, and then just like over that time, bro, like I put money into like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Yep. I was big in the Ethereum because like I was doing CS:GO trading and skins and that kind of stuff. So like I had a good bit of it at $100, $200. And just invested, and then yeah, I mean that's most of my freedom right there.
Yeah.
Nice,
and then obviously like the trading in that as well.
Some of you guys missed the bull run in crypto. That was big, man. Like some of you guys know I did well with Doge. I did well with BTC during that time too. So that was, man, those were great times. That was during a little bit after COVID, like during the lockdowns. If you weren't in crypto at that point, yeah, you don't miss the next bull run. Don't miss the next bull run.
Yeah, nah, it's crazy too, cause like I still have all the screenshots of me like blowing up the group chat with my friends and that. Bro, buy Bitcoin, it's 8,000 right now. Yeah. Ethereum is $200, Ripple 20 cents. Guess who bought it?
None of them. None of them but you. I told people too. I told them too.
You know, and I didn't even really know that much. I just am like, well, like the thing for me was like I had heard about Bitcoin years prior, bro. Like when it did the 2017 bull run. And so it was like, oh, it's going back up again. Cool. Well, maybe we'll see 20K again. I'll buy in at 8. And it went crazy. I believe I got rid of most of it at 40.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah, man. The crypto run was great. It really was. So let's go ahead and mark this up. Yeah, the next crypto run is coming, boys.
Sam, I'll be in that, bro.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, so
I'm just kind of waiting.
Yep.
Yeah, but to kind of go back on that as well is like you guys want to build like for whoever had asked that in the chat, you know, stack some money, have some money on the side, you know, like
sit on some
what
cash.
Do you call it? Yeah, sit on some cash. You'll be cool and you're chilling.
Definitely. Yeah.
Make sure your bills are covered for a couple months in advance, and then you can do all this too, and then it's way less stressful because I don't gotta make money today.
Yeah.
I don't gotta catch a trade today. It doesn't even matter if I lose today. I'm still gonna go. Oh, I did lose, so like, you know, I'm still gonna go ahead and go about my day and everything. So.
Yeah, nasty
like
candle.
Nothing changes.
Yep. Yeah, look at Nas. That's what we expected gold to do there at 9:30. Just drive down, retest that low. So you see how this is a 4-hour wick fill here? So like we were talking about before, like 4-hour wick fill, 30-minute retest of resistance there. And then if you close below, you should continue down here today, which is really what we want to see here for Nas moving forward into the year. So that's gonna be perfect. Yeah, once everyone starts talking about crypto though, it's too late.
Yeah, exactly. You know what's crazy now is that they're if you look at what the top banks and institutions are saying, is that they're now saying that since it's more favorable for them, they already own most of it, that it is good as gold to buy. Bitcoin is specifically. I forget who CEO of what bank it was. Maybe Wells Fargo.
Yep.
I don't know, but yeah, now the narrative has changed, right? Because they control the narrative as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we could have had better stops there. I mean, that was sufficient enough. No point in,
No, that were
yeah, there was no point in having higher stops or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vanguard. Well, now that Vanguard and BlackRock are in, I mean,
Right. Yeah, they got the spot ETFs or whatever for the Bitcoin and that.
yeah, yep.
Yeah, TK, I agree. But see, it's just that's just what they're saying. Like if Powell says that dirt is now $40, it is.
Yeah,
facts.
I'm buying all dirt.
yep.
Yeah, true, TK, bro. It's an interesting game.
Yep. Nasty Nas, baby.
I'm excited to play the game though. Let's go.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Nas was nice. Goldie, just running up here.
Yeah. Must want to go bullish today if our best stops got hit.
Yeah. Mitch, I'm not a religious man. May the Lord not look down on him. Damn, dude, we lost a trade. Holy, yo, relax, bro.
Yeah,
Wow. Dude, honestly, stop trading. You're done, bro. You're done, dude. Just stop. Go get a
real, bro.
job.
It's not gonna be worth it, bro. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, you're gonna take 100 more losses, bro.
You're going to take thousands
100
of
more
losses,
throughout
bro.
your journey. Exactly. If you can't take this one loss, bro, don't even, like Nick said, just quit. It's not worth
Holy.
it for you.
Yeah,
Stop
and that's
now,
just
dude.
being nice too, because you're just gonna hurt yourself mentally and financially.
Yeah. For real.
Yep.
Hurt yourself mentally, financially, maybe even physically, bro. I don't know.
You're going to take losses, man. It's part of the game.
For real.
It's a good trade. We took 2 good trades there. What do you guys want us to do? Not take the trades not take our playbook position when they show up? Doesn't make sense. I could tell you're probably not a regular here.
Y'all, if y'all really want to be good traders, have that long-term mentality, right? That's what the professional trader, that's the mentality he has, right? Is the long term. And if you're not focused on the long term, why are you here? It's not going to work out.
Yeah. Yep.
I think some people would be better off in the casino. I think the casino can teach
Yeah.
a lot of people a lot about trading. Like, for example, if you're playing blackjack and the dealer has a 6, right? You got about, I mean, it depends what your hand is as well, but there's a high probability that the dealer is going to bust. However, sometimes the dealer does not, and you still lose. And you could have 20, and it can run the whole way out to 21, and you lose, right? And that's probably your best odds of winning in that game.
Yeah,
Nah,
man.
that's
You
fact.
had a
Let's
resistance
go
here,
casino.
right?
Just
We have
probabilities.
we have a play called the onion play, which we take a sell-off resistance. That's what we did. Same thing here. We took a sell-off resistance, right? Hindsight's 20/20. You don't know this is going to happen, right? And you don't need to know. All you need to do is act on the edge. So hindsight's 20/20. You get a resistance to form. You're looking to take a sell on a bearish day, right? You don't know this is going to happen, right? And then we come up here. We fail to break the highs. We create resistance. You take a sell, right? That's what my system calls for. So that's what I do, right? The probability just didn't play out here. Simple.
Probability game.
Right?
Sam is
Hey, man.
casino veteran. Yeah, I actually did play a decent bit while we weren't live at the casino. I think it said I wagered like $2.5 grand in like 2 weeks, which is for me like I don't ever go, so
Yeah.
it's funny. see, and then even like with what and there's like different strategies. There's different ways to the game. Someone here just said that I would split tens on a high true count. That's the same thing as having an edge in trading.
Mm-hmm.
Some of you guys might not understand what I'm talking about, but for those who do.
Yeah. Ooh, beauty. Beautiful here. Sheesh. Hey, thank you, Alpha Harbor. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that.
Some of you are funny in the chat, bro.
The Groomsmith in the house. What up, the Groomsmith? How y'all doing?
Grossman.
Even blackjack requires discipline, though. Exactly, because if you don't follow your strategy the whole way through, then you're gonna be all over the place.
Yeah.
Like, if you always double on an 11, you have to every time. It's just your strategy, right? Because the one time you don't double, you don't make that double the money, and then that, who knows, if you take a couple more losses, then you wouldn't be up like you would. Abilities.
Sure.
Yo, what up to the Groomsmith too? I seen you in the chat. What up? What up? That's OG.
Project, yeah, all over a series of trades, bro. Not just 4 trades.
Yeah.
40, 100. You're gonna see it. I just said have that long-term mentality, bro.
Yeah, acting like blackjack a profitable game. Bro, well, like 90% of traders pull up to the charts and still lose. So what are you trying to say? I'm just saying that if you have a strategy or an edge, it's gonna improve your chances of winning.
Yo, y'all always got something to say, man. You guys are funny. We love you guys. You know that,
like
right?
what, bro?
We really do.
Hell yeah. Love it as
Oh
well.
man. Hey man, stop loss is too tight. Hey man, stop loss is too big. You know, you're always gonna deal with that stuff.
Yeah.
Your pips are too much, bro. No, bro.
Man.
Look, no matter, regardless if I risk 10 pips or 100 pips, I still only risk 2%, dude. So you have to come to the stream a little bit, right? So you can understand how we trade and what's going on.
And to the new traders, have a student mentality. Don't act like you know it all, right? If you just started trading this first year, like, trust me, you have a lot to learn. Like, don't act like you know it all. Student mentality, and that's forever.
I like what Green said. Short-term traders.
Update the record? Don't tell me what to do.
Bro,
I'll update the
why are
record
you
when I
so
want
focused on his record? What's your record, bro?
to. Send
Come
us your
on, man.
record, G.
Like, what the heck?
Yeah, one day. Update the record.
Dude's telling you to update your record, but he hasn't updated his. Come on. Bro, focus on your own trades, man.
Yeah, so gold is kind of in this iffy zone anyway. Just messing around here all day. This area right here has been very tough on gold. So you're really not doing much in this range here. If you get above there, I think you may have a nice push. But again, it's a bearish day. We've been struggling in this overall area for quite some time here today. So yeah, it's just one of those herky-jerky days, man. Just one of those up and down days where you get your resistance, and then we move up, and then you get your resistance, and we move up. So very tough. Very tough.
Yo, facts, Sergio. We're about to, yo, Nick, we got to drop some merch. Update the record with it, with the saying on it.
Yeah, that's funny. Get a shirt that says update.
About to
the
cop
record.
that hoodie tonight.
You gotta get the
Yo.
quotes like the off-white. Update the
Dude,
record.
we should, bro. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Right?
Update the record hoodies.
Yeah. Update the record.
Facts, bro. And to my Quakers,
that's a good
I
idea.
love you. You need to learn how to think like a professional trader, right? If you want to rely on this income long term. That was the biggest takeaway I had from Mark Douglas, a very wise trader, right? He knows how to think like a professional trader. So if you can know how to think like a professional trader, you're gonna do just fine.
Look, even if you are a professional trader, you just need to learn how to be a mature human, right? Like me,
True.
I remember I used to tune into Don all the time. If he took a loss, I would never go in there and be like, L, or update your record, bro, or oh my God, this guy sucks, right? I would never do that. I'm much more of a man, much more mature than that. So that's why you can't really give the guys here too much time, because a lot of these dudes are probably like 14-year-olds that can't even start accounts yet. So it's not like we're really speaking to grown men, right? And they have the advantage because they're in the chat. You know what I mean? They're not up in front of everyone.
Sometimes I like to troll back.
Don is a G? Yeah, Don is a G. Don is a G. You guys can never handle the loss that Don took, or drawdown that he's in, right? Because there's levels to this game.
Levels.
Yeah. Yeah, I think yeah, I think gold's gonna struggle around this area here the remainder of the day.
Yeah, because like you said, it's a bearish day. Like, man, I feel like it's really gonna struggle. Like, it's not gonna make a clean move up. I don't think. If it is gonna keep going up.
Yeah, you see how it's just creating resistance and moving up, creating resistance, moving up, creating resistance. Just very, very unpredictable price action here today. So it's no wonder we took a loss here today, right? Price isn't moving the way our system likes it to move. So that's, you know, that's why we simply took a loss.
Yeah, for real. Clearly, right? Create a resistance 3 times.
Yeah. And Nas just lovely move. Just beautiful old move here on Nas. Right off the 15, just straight down.
That's how it always is.
The one day we trade Nas like skirt, and gold is just like, and then we go gold, and then, you know, gold does the little herky jerky stuff.
Gotta love it.
One thing I've noticed is it's like London session seems like to be like gold loves it lately. You always get those times of the year though where it's just like certain sessions I feel like are better than others. Because even yesterday was terrible for gold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think we could have closed down here at the support, right? But I believed in the plan. I believed in the direction. So I wanted to hold it, right? I think we were positive on this position here, and then we may have been like 2 or 3 pips in drawdown. So we're probably right around break even or so, but didn't want to do that. I wanted to trust my plan. No option to send money? Yeah, I took it down. Maybe I'll put it back up. You can send me a coffee tomorrow. Yeah, I took the like button down. Or the dono button. The like button's still there. You guys can hit the like button.
Smash it.
Green wants me to put it back up. Did I write you a message on Discord? No, I didn't. Wow, gold continuing to run here. This is nuts. This is nuts.
Yeah, I was actually thinking about that
Sheesh.
yesterday too. Like I could vouch, like me and Nick, me and you send a lot of voice messages. Even like John, anyone I'm really talking to. So
Yeah.
like, bro, like if Nick's not sending you a voice message, like 900% chance it's not him.
Yeah, yeah.
Facts.
Yeah, I like to talk to you guys in voice message when you guys do
Yeah.
message me, because then you guys know it's me.
I was just thinking about that too. Yeah, me too as well. Well, I mean,
Yeah.
I just hate sitting there typing, bro. Just-
Same.
It's like such a bot thing to do.
It really is, bro. Honestly,
Just
takes a lot of
talking
time
to
too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of
yeah.
time and energy and attention.
Remember, chat, it's not how you start the month, it's how you finish it. Right? There's plenty of time, baby. Plenty of time.
True.
Oh, there's a lot of time, bro.
We got
just
we
getting
got
started.
nothing but time.
Y'all are focused on the month, bro. I'm focused on the year. Come on.
Do you see any? Thanks, Alpha Harbor. Yeah, so we are working on things. So we're always working on things in our strategy, right? Today's actually one of those things that we worked on, right? We talked about this. Me and Sam talked about this quite a bit. Me and John talked about this. I think we spoke about this a little bit yesterday too. Is, you know, when most days we're on right on the money when it comes to the direction of the trade, right? So regardless of whether or not, remember we talked about this yesterday, where if you get a nice resistance, right, that you would normally take, or let's say we were normally waiting for a closure below here, but that we understand the direction is down today, right? As the technicals presented us earlier on. So entering here was a smart idea, right? Because if your direction is down based off of the previous daily candle, by the time we get down here, we're already 20 pips in profit, right? And then the volume, this is when we typically will get in, volume is going to come in, and sometimes we get like very little to almost no top wick, right? And then price just drives on us. So, you know, this was a shot at a new idea, not a new idea, but just a new position, and having a little bit of a better position, you know, to move with the direction. So gold was not supposed to do this today according to the technicals here, but it did. And sometimes that's going to happen, right? It's not all the time where you're going to have a bearish candle follow a bearish candle, right? Otherwise, the markets would just look like this all the time, right? It would never change. It would never change. It would just continue a bearish candle. So at some point, you know, the market's going to throw a bullish candle in there. And you know what? That may have been today here. So we took a shot at it. Our best shot, our playbook showed up. That's all you could do. All you could do.
Bro, we took the W today.
But yeah, just we are always tweaking, always growing, always learning, and you know, trying to get better in the markets.
Student of the game.
Yes, sir. I
Yep.
think that might be it for me today. So I am
Yeah.
not gonna jump in this thing is. It's done. That was the
Ye-
move. More than likely,
Sir.
at least.
Yep.
Wait
Yeah, I
for
think
the
that'll do
news.
it for me,
could
too.
drop. What news?
What you boys got going on today? Chilling?
Well, I gotta go deal with this laundry.
Oh, nice.
Gym. And then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna make. And then
Nice.
probably work on like a little bit more stuff for the boot camp. Like I want to finish up the playbook number 2 for the fundamentals.
Ooh, ooh.
Whoa.
Hey, yo,
Fun's
sounds
on-
like a fire day, bro.
Them fundies on point.
Honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, so take it easy, chat. Nick.
All right,
John?
brother.
Yep.
All right,
brother.
brotherski. Hope you have a
Alright.
great day.
Yeah,
and we will
W
see you
day.
mañana.
Yeah,
Stay blessed.
W day, baby. We're gonna come
Yeah.
back and kill tomorrow. I'm gone.
Yes. Oh, TK's. That's what the real TK. That's what TK looks like in virtual land right there.
For real, bro.
Yeah. Seems like today's events deviate from our usual probabilities. Yeah, which I observed repeatedly in many streams of today's occurrence. Where yeah, exactly, and that's gonna happen. You know, that's why you set probabilities. But again, they're only probabilities, right? They're not guarantees. So just because the daily candle closes bearish Doesn't guarantee that the next one will move bearish, you know, but that's all the information that we have to use according to our strategy. Some of you guys may use a different strategy. You may have seen the buys, but that's not my strategy, you know, so I just stick with mine and, you know, refine it and, you know, continue to learn more and more about price action. 50K account. Yeah, we're going to give away the 50K challenge account tomorrow. So tomorrow's Wednesday, right? Yeah, we're going to do the 50K challenge account tomorrow. Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. So I think that's going to be it for me today. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be looking at any other positions here today. Gotta settle down and come back tomorrow.
Sounds good, brother Nick. I'm about to head off too. I'll give you a call a little bit later today.
All right, cool. Sounds good, brother.
All right, bro. All right, peace, bro. Peace, Zoom.
I'll
Peace,
catch you
chat.
later, bro.
Have a great day. Stay blessed. All right, bro. Peace.
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 Yeah, so TK. Yeah. Oh man. All right, chat. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do here today too. Yeah, unfortunately, you know, price decided to go the other way here today. No biggie. We come back tomorrow and get to do it all over again, right? So let's see if we can get a W on the board here tomorrow, first in the month. I don't think I've taken five hits in a row in, man, probably about 3 years now. So pretty interesting. Took my first trade and held market open close yesterday, first time in like 3 years, and then 5 in a row here, man, first time in 3 years. So, you know, a bit of a rough start to February, but like I said earlier, it doesn't matter how you start, it's all about how you finish. We'll stay composed, we'll keep it locked in for the remainder of the month, and just think about it as an arrow, right? Arrow's got to get pulled back to launch forward, and that's what I see happening here in February. So we'll cruise through the month and close it off strong here. Cool. All right, boys and girls. Well, you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy it. Blessings to you and your family. Give a like to the stream, a sub to the stream on the way out of here today, and I'll be back same time tomorrow, same time as usual. All right.